On a previous video, we saw how to get access to the factory automation, Mitsubishi factory automation, to get some important resources about your Mazatrol CNC. In this case, we are looking at the spare part, which is a power supply for Mazatrol 640 CNC. And this power supply has access here to some maintenance manual related to this part. Additionally, here we don't have the uh, price, but if you subscribe to the Mazak Complete Customer Care using this registration form, what you can do is to access with that account to part store. And here, if you look for the same part number that you were looking on the factory automation, you can see that the price for USA in this case, because I'm registered for USA, is gonna be $2,000. But as you see, you can register yourself in other areas like Canada, Japan, Europe, and China. Okay, thank you.